Good yung isa ah. Malinis naman ah. Dito din niya nalinisan. Pero yung dito nalinisan niya. Bakit? Kaya tinaman na yata siya. Pati may malinis na yan oh. Very good ah. Hindi nang sahuran mamaya. Oh, malinis na yung gawa niya. Tapos may patubig pa siya dito. Bakit kaya siya may patubig dyan? Yan. Ready for the barbecue na. Smell good? Paano mo maamoy? May sipon ka nga eh. Yes! Bakit? Ha? You want the fan on? Ito pala yung aming lulutuin. Meron kaming atay na hindi nawala sa plano. Bastos. Tapos ito yung chicken at saka pork. So yan yung ating dinner for tonight. Anak, be careful anak. Tapos itong anak ko na to, pag nasa palengke may bodol lagi. Meron siyang papapipapig. Tapos bumili ito yung uling namin. Uling lang talaga yung sadya namin. Nabudol na naman, nakabili na naman ng mga shorts.
Sino na kasalanan?
Ewan ko kung sino may kasalanan doon.
Joyride na.
Oh, joyride lang. Ang joyride, iba yung napunta sa joyride. So, ayan. Kain muna ako ng aking, ano. Babe, you want banana Q? Kung na-stress yung tagaluto natin. Kain muna ako ng banana Q. Anak, you want banana Q, anak? Yan ah. You want this? You want this one? Ha? It's a bit hot. You have to be careful, okay? Wait, mommy. Hold it properly. Kain tayo. Munti, this is banana, Munti. You eat banana? Na-stress yung tagaluto natin mga shots. Mukhang na-stress yung ating tagaluto. Masapin na ba? Siya namang gusto na-stress na. Pagpapapoy pa na na-stress na. Hindi magsusurvive sa bundok tong daddy mo, anak.
Nagapoy na hindi. Nagapoy na?
Mayroon ka dyan?
Ano lang ito?
Ayan.
Dali lang. Wait.
Na-stress na yung ating tagaluto. Wala pang naluto. Anak, where's the banana? Mama. Wait, mami, come here, come on. No, come mami. Come on. Come. See? Bye-bye. Oh no. Bye-bye. Go get it. Come on. Baba Peppa-Pig.
May papel ka dyan, wala?
Ha?
May papel ka pa baga?
Hindi, okay na yata to. Ano naman na?
Get the light of blue and protect
Ito na, oh.
this one.
No, this one is okay na.
Okay?
Ano yan? Ako lang?
Ito, ano, for... So it's not so smoky. Dami lang. Pero na pala eh.
Kasi na, nasunod na yung mga kakanap kong ganyan.
Mayroon pa na pala.
Bali na natin ang musok.
Oo nga. So tapos dandahanin mong ano kasi marinig mo. Di ba hindi siya umuusok?
Nah, it's okay. There's no more smoke.
Tapos
Save
lagyan
it
mo
for
na
the
lang-
next time.
Meron kang pang smoke.
Hindi yun. Saan po this? What? Like that? Can you watch?
Yeah.
Itong lasang ka.
I told you, you said no, keep it for next time.
Ano ba yan?
Dapat ka nabili.
Ako nga na po.
Yeah, but you put that in water, that's why.
Oh. Did I?
Yes.
Wow, ang ganda ng ano. Ano yung saging mo nilagay sa upuan kaya?
Ay, naku anak. Yung saging na.
Ang galing ay walang uso. As in.
Yun lang yun.
Oo.
Sugar at saka.
Super at saka ano. Siyempre lagay mo sa lata. Kaya kung parang plastic malusaw.
Sino ka dyan? Chef ka dyan? Umiyak ng chef natin. Careful anak. But you can put this one on the other side. The liver.
Liver is marinated already?
Yeah. I just put some salt on it and what do you call this? Calamansi. That's okay, that's fresh. Smoky, smoky. Yan. Oh, di patay. You should spread the... Babe, can you kill the fire? It will burn the thing.
Fire will not die because of the oil.
Well, at least move the chicken right here.
I'm moving it.
Ting luto na tong aming luto na tong pagkain namin. Nasobrahan sa po yung mga luto namin. Tingnan mo naman yung hotdog namin. Lutong luto. Call, bili ka daw ng Coke, Call. But this one is not even cooked yet. Ano pa to natin?
I don't understand. Something you say is burnt, something you say is not cooked. When you want to cook it,
Babe, if you cook barbecue, just steady. Don't flip it over.
that's how you do it.
Well, that's how you do it. Oh, look at the skin. It's coming out now.
That's good.
It doesn't look good. Yes, anak.
It doesn't look good.
Daddy, make me angry.
It's not what do you call French restaurant.
Kain kami to sa labas. Itong ulam namin. Ang dami naming ulam. What happened now?
It's cooked, you know, games.
Yeah, I know, but I don't like the taste. You should ask Nicole, the original cook.
You put calamansi in this.
Yeah, I did put. Why? You want more calamansi?
There's no calamansi in this.
I put some calamansi, babe. Call, bigyan mo kami calamansi, Call. Yung anak ko.
Oh, yeah, there is. No, mixed properly.
Kanin lang yung gusto niya. Give her the chicken too, babe. Kagulo naman ng pamilyang ito. Anyway, kain tayo. Tingnan mo nangyari. Nangyari sa ano mo, hotdog mo. Nasobrahan sa bantay yung hotdog mo.
Sit here. Oh, it's sitting inside now. They're sitting.
Here. O paano to buksan? Walang ano?
Oh, no,
You ano, daddy? You
What
whisper, daddy. What did you say? Yeah.
Good
Ha,
day.
daddy, ha?
What happened to the music?
Yeah.
Sorry, darling. I put the music on. Okay, let's see. Let's do it from side. Let's do it from start. Let's do from start, okay? Because I'm sorry I was on the phone.